please take your seats. And today we'll be learning Tibetan alphabet. Ka 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 nga. Cha 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 nya. Ta 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 na. Pa 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 ma. Cha 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 wa. Ja kung de. Ja kung de.
Today, I will be shutting down this outdated Tibetan school. We, the Chinese Communist Party, have to ensure young Tibetan children are receiving the state-of-the-art, modern and advanced education. We have already saved 1 million Tibetan children by providing them with better opportunities than they could have ever received. They need our help, and they need support from the Chinese government to turn their outdated school into a place where they can further their education.
了个错误，住在一个大图书馆附近。我们住在一个大图书馆附近，犯了个错误，在墙上住在一个他不抽烟，低温天气，我住在一个大图书馆附近，住在一个。
Yipu! My son! Sure, let's go! Whoa! Now! Now, my son!
These children are so happy here. They are receiving superior education. The old ways were backwards, and we are ensuring prosperity for the next generation. Education should not be dictated by outdated traditions and impractical beliefs. These children now have access to real knowledge. The world should recognize the efforts we, the Chinese Communist Party, are making in lifting Tibet into the future.
This is the reality, the truth of what is happening to Tibetan children in Chinese